Hey folks, Darth Alice here once again, and I wanted to show you the newest creation I have for my custom saber shop. This is the Acrodyne T-66 custom lightsaber. This was originally built out of what's called a nut driver and a very expensive magnesium tool. So the whole body mainly is all magnesium, so it makes for a very lightweight, well-balanced saber. I end up making a new emitter for it on my lathe, and this is more grooved. I aged it a little bit and added a half shroud to the top. I turned the center section to get rid of the original half moon grooves here for the activation plate that came with this originally to make it continuous going around it. I then added a custom control panel here with a 12mm Mandalorian AV switch, secondary switch, and recharge port with custom kill key. I painted all of this with an epoxy based black paint that is actually it's epoxy based, but it's a flat black and it sticks very well. From there I used a piece of hex billet and made the rear pommel because I wanted a unique shape on that with inserts, stainless steel. Also in the crystal chamber it's offset. One side is larger than the other with a 3D printed crystal chamber from Shapeways. And then here I've got stainless steel mesh as a radiation shield in the back. For the internals I used Naigon Electronics Igniter R4 with a AW 3.7 volt battery pumping 3100 milliamp. It's all held in place with an Owen Lars design Shapeways disc tray battery combination. And then for the main LED I'm running an X4 Cree made up by Lucien Caine on the IRA, and it's running the two reds, actually two greens in parallel, and I've got a red and a royal blue on this LED. Or actually it's just a red and a blue, it's not the royal blue. But enough talk, let's hear this thing boot up. Alright, and the cool thing is I mounted a red, green, blue LED underneath of the 3D printed chamber. You can really see that light up. Custom blade plug, that's what I call my honeycomb style. 2-watt heavy bass speaker, and the neat thing, listen to this. It's back venting up through the crystal chamber. Alright, let's see it with a blade in it. This is one of my Tonto blades. It's easier to show this on video with this thing because you can see the brightness. Lock up. Blasters. Continuous turn. This one has the FX pack on it too. Also I added a couple music tracks on this, of course. From The Force Unleashed. Thanks again, Blako. Had to grab some of the music tracks off your font. Alright, and I'm just going to cycle through a couple of these. Alright, COD Zombies. I like this because I picked the green for the main font and then purple for the auxiliary for the dual face. Running two greens in parallel, it's very bright. All my swings and slashes are zombies. And dual face.
It's always the first priority.
Purple.
Look at the sheen on this weapon. Striking. Everywhere.
And then lock up.
Oh, you have no more head.
Oh, that's good. Thanks again, Link. And then Nicole.
Nicole interface active.
Got Nicole 2.0. Then with this, I ran a royal blue for the main font. The dual face just went to a different blue. So you can see the difference between a regular blue and, again, a green one. Fun font. There we go, folks. Nice quick little demonstration of the new T-66 Acrodyne. Again, for my friend Our Tools over on the IRA, it's complete. Thanks again for watching, folks, and may the Force be with you always.